Hey guys, it's Rita. I'm out in my messy garage today and I'm going to work on a sign for the front porch. So I thought I'd bring you guys out here and let you take a look at how I'm doing this. But first I'll introduce you to my kitties, if I can get them in the picture here. Just a second. Let me flip this. Okay, so here we have Rambo, and I've got my cord all in the bowl. Let me move that. Hey Rambo, say hi. Okay, there he is. He's the mean one. This is Penelope. She's our long-haired girl, and she's finicky and has an attitude, of course. And then there's Tiger. I'm getting ready to open the door and let these cats out. What is that? Here's Tiger. I'm gonna have to refill their bowls. Yeah, they're not camera shy for sure. Hey Penelope. Hey girl. All right, that's that for them. So, okay guys, so the piece of wood I have is right here. I'm hoping these cats will get out of here, out of my way. And not real sure how tall this is. I believe it's around 5 feet. It was another piece on it. I cut it off because it seemed to be too tall. What I'm going to do is stain this with a weathered gray stain, and I'm going to put welcome on it for the front porch. And I may draw some flowers or something. I'm not sure yet. But I have sanded this down. It is a piece of, I think it was called pine fencing. And I paid like $1.50 for it, so it was probably around a 6-foot piece. So got that all ready to stain, and I'm gonna run the cats out and get that stained. Okay guys, so the cats think that my stain is food, so I'm having to run them out. But anyway, I'm gonna start staining, and I need some paper towels, so hold on a sec. All right guys. Let's get this done. I do like this stain. I've used it in quite a few of my projects. This wood is just sucking it up too. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wipe it off. Yeah, this wood is just sucking the stain up, so I'm not going to be able to really wipe any off, I don't think. I'm just going to leave it as is. I should probably seal this when it's complete as well, since it will be outside. Not sure if that's really necessary, but I'll research that and see. Okay, so I've got this stained, and I'm gonna let it dry really good. I do have that piece of wood that I cut off of here. I'm just gonna go ahead and stain it. I don't know if I can find it. The measurements were 5/8 by 5.5 by 6, so 5.5 by 6. And it doesn't say, I know it was a piece of pine something, but I don't know if you can see this. The light out here is really bright. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna get this piece stained up just for a future project after I get it wiped off. We'll let all of this dry, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, now my wood is completely dry. The stain is dry. My cats are running around. So I'm going to measure this, and I'm going to try to determine how big I need to make my letters, which will say welcome. So it is around 60 inches, a little bit more, we'll just say 60. I'm going to leave about, I don't know, 8 inches at the top and bottom for decoration. So 60 minus 16 is 50, 44. 44 divided by 7. So, 42. I'm going to say about 6 inches for each letter. So there's the bottom of one. Now I'm going to try to draw the letters out, and then I'll go back in and paint them in. So I'm not real good at this, but we'll try. I can find my marks. I don't know, guys. I'm not good at this, so I have to do something better than this. May work on this a little bit, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, here it is, and I'm not happy. I obviously cannot write, so I am going to go ahead and put the flower on it, and I'll set it up on the front porch, but I'm going to redo the lettering on this. I probably should have got stencils, and I want to decorate the top and bottom too, where that extra space is, right there under the E and above the W. But yes, I can't write, so I will give you guys an update on this. For right now, this will just be a learning video. In case you cannot write like me, please use stencils. So that's what I have for you right now, and as soon as I get this looking decent, I will pop back on with another quick video. Thank you guys for watching. This is a learning tutorial today. I appreciate you guys who are subscribed to my channel, and if you like to learn, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Like, share, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. So here it is on the front porch, and like I said, I am going to redo the lettering on this. It looks so pitiful. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you what not to do when you hand letter a sign. Okay, so here's this table I was telling you guys about. It is really nasty, needs to be cleaned up, but don't really know what to do with it. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. See you later.